friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dungeon Odyssey game crashing or not opening, not launching, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, not working, keep stopping or other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check. Even you can enable airplane mode for some time and again disable it, and after that check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Dungeon Odyssey game and then check if any update is available over here. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game. After that, click on storage. Here click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should install a VPN app to access the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it. After installing it, log into it, change the location and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. After following all the above methods, you have to restart your device once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and now select restart. Once your phone restarts, now check if you can play the game. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and again click on uninstall. This will delete the game from your device. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Dungeon Odyssey game and finally click on the install option to check whether the game, and after installing, launch the game and check if the game is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.